Did you know you can buy Goyard straight from the store, direct to your home, from bed? No traveling to a store, no waiting in line, no dealing with sales associates. There's the proof right here. Literally, order it, deliver it to your home, buy it in bed, and not even ever get up. Buy it online. Yes, okay, let's talk about it. 7 bags? I think not. I could probably order 7 right now, so here's the proof. I'll show you. I just got one delivered. There's 2 ways to do this. I'll talk about it while I unbox this, okay? The first way is directly through the Goyard website. If you scroll to the bottom, there's a section called Distance Sales. Click on Distance Sales, you make a request for whatever bag you want, you fill out the information, make a request, and then you submit it. It will take a little time, they're very slow to respond, but they'll respond back and tell you what the bag that you want is, if it's available, what colors, and the price. And it'll usually connect you to your closest store to where you are. If there's no store in your area, there's only 6 stores in the US, I believe. So it'll connect you to that closest store, or they will have it shipped from that store. Also ship it from a different store if it's not available in that store. But you fill out the information, you have to have your name has to match your credit card, has to match your address. It all has to be the same. You do a pay by link, and then they ship it to you. Shipping is $30 or $60 now. It used to be free, but now it's that much. And you get it in like 2 days. Or they'll connect you directly to the store, and you can email with the store and they will do it. Also, if you have a contact at any of the stores, either an SA or the email for the store, which they all have pretty generic emails, you can find them, then you can email the store and back and forth, same thing, pay by link, tell them what you want, availability, wait for availability. If it's not available now, wait for the next shipment, wait for whatever. They can see when the next shipments are coming in, what's coming in them, buy it, pay by link, have it shipped, and then get it. The second way you can do it, I don't think a lot of people know this, but through Bergdorf's. So Bergdorf's is one of the only places now, I think Neiman's used to have it, but they don't anymore, that you can buy from a department store. I think in France there's Printemps, and there might be other ones, but as far as I know, those are the only 2. If you have a Bergdorf's SA, if you go to Bergdorf's store, or if you call and get connected to the Goyard department, they have a men's and a women's, 2 separate sections in the Bergdorf men and Bergdorf women's. You order it, have it shipped next day, it'll ship next day, free of charge. Pricing's the same, anything like that. The only caveat is, and same thing with Printemps. I'm not even unboxing this while I'm talking about it, sorry. The only caveat, only have your classic standard regular bags. So they'll have the totes, St. Louis, the Artois, the Anjou, they'll have all the wallets, they'll have your regular other bags, but they won't have anything limited edition, any limited edition colors. They won't have anything like that's a new launch. I also think they don't have luggage, trunks, most trunks, some trunks they do, but if you want a St. Louis tote, wallet, a card holder, things like that, they have it. They only have limited quantity, so when you check in, but they get shipments, I think, once a month, every month on the 15th. So they don't have it now, they'll get it the next shipment, they just will let you know once it's in. Super easy, they're super helpful, and yeah. I don't think you can buy it directly on their website. Unfortunately, it's kind of like Chanel, where you can't buy it on the website for a lot of these department stores. But, like I said, you just connect them and say, okay. I guess I'll do the unboxing in a separate video, because I didn't even unbox it here. And this video is probably quite long, so let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Goyard Guru here for you. Okay, bye.